Hi guys! Nakabihis ako today kasi aalis ako. Pupunta ako sa bagong bahay kasi ngayon ito turn over yung susi sa amin. Nag-i-inventory pa sila kaya sabi nila tatawagan daw nila ako kung pwede nang pumunta para kunin yung susi. And since may pasok si Jamie, ako lang yung pupunta kaya magko-commute ako. I will catch the bus and then siguro from the bus station, mag-u-Uber na lang ako papunta sa bahay. And then later, sunduin na lang ako ni Jamie. So yun, excited na ako makita yung bahay and makalipat na rin sana kami. And then last night, may in-order kaming package ni Jamie. And ang expected day of delivery, supposedly tomorrow. And nag-worry pa nga kami kasi pareho kami nasa duty and hindi pwedeng iwanan lang yung package sa garage kasi they will require a 6-digit PIN. So, yun. And nagulat na lang kami kasi kanina umaga, pagka-check ni Jamie ng account niya, ng Amazon account niya, ang sabi, na-dispatch na daw yung package and darating daw ngayong 10 p.m. But 12 noon pa lang, na-deliver na. So, sobrang bilis kasi parang siguro mga less than 24 hours, baka nga parang 12 hours lang na-deliver na kagad yung package. So, this is a special package. This is my gift to myself. Yeah, and sobrang pinaghirapan ko talaga siya. And inipon ko talaga siya. So, i-open na natin. Naghanap ako nito online, pero kasi walang available ng gusto ko. And karamihan sa mga stores dito, hindi sila tumatanggap ng for pick up. And hindi rin namin mapadeliver kasi we don't know yet kung kailan darating. And di ba lilipat kami ng bahay, so baka magkagulo lang sa delivery address. Tapos nung nakita namin to sa Amazon, ano siya, 100 pounds off. Kaya sobrang laking tipid din. And yun nga, less than 24 hours lang yung delivery. And eto na siya. Yay! So bumili ako ng MacBook Pro. Yan yung Christmas gift ko for myself. Ang gusto ko talaga is yung MacBook Air na gold. Kaya lang, when I check the Apple website, it will be delivered, I think, 2nd week or 3rd week pa ng January. And I'll be starting my new job sa 1st week ng January. So, I opted for a MacBook Pro and there are no collection sites na available. Kaya nung tumingin ako sa Amazon, nakita ko to, and yun nga, discounted price siya. Kaya we decided na bili na lang siya. And then, yung delivery niya, very soon pa. Like, supposedly dapat tomorrow, pero ngayon, dumating na. And, yan. Hindi ako sobrang techy, kaya hindi ko rin masabi kung yung mga specifications niya, mga specs niya. So, let's open it. Iniwan ko din kasi yung laptop ko sa Pilipinas kasi I was thinking na hindi ko naman siya magagamit since I'll be working in the hospital and there are computers naman sa hospital and we're not allowed to bring our own gadgets, personal gadgets. But since I will be transferring and I will start working in a school now, and as a school nurse, very necessity talaga yung laptop. Kasi it's more of like an admin jobs. Right. So, hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo. I'll be opening it now. There! Sayang lang kasi yung MacBook Pro, wala siyang gold na color. Which is my favorite Apple color. Kaya ang pinili ko na lang is yung space gray. Yan. which looks very nice. And pinili ko yung 13-inch kasi yung 16-inch, parang masyado na kasi siyang mabigat. And parang, kasi ano lang from our new house going to the school, 10-minute walk lang. Kaya parang ang bigat na masyado kung 16 inches yung bibilihin ko. And yun nga, I bought the new MacBook Pro, yung M1 chip. And sabi ni Jamie, according to him, since he's very techy and he already did his research, according to him, sobrang ganda daw ng bagong, what do you call it, processor. Sobrang mabilis daw. Kaya he also encouraged me to get one of these. And it looks really nice. It looks really elegant. So, hindi naman ako masyadong nagsisi that I didn't opt to wait for the gold color. Right, so let's open this. I don't know kung anong meron sa pagtanggal ng sticker na to, but it seems like it's very satisfying. Ooh. There. Ang ganda ng color niya. And let's try opening it. So, yan. Ayan siya. And then, yung it really looks nice. For sure, magugustuhan din ni Jamie to kasi sobrang hilig din niya sa gadgets and technology. And before, si Jamie, Android user talaga siya. Oh, sorry. Android user talaga siya. Pero ngayon, according to him, he's already an Apple convert. Yeah. So, I'll just set this up. While setting this up, I'll just show you kung ano yung kasama sa box. Meron siyang cable. This one. And then, what's this? And then, meron siyang charger. And then, that's it. I really like the size is just so perfect for me. And hindi siya ganun kalaki and hindi rin siya ganun kaliit and hindi rin siya sobrang bigat, but the processor is so powerful and fast. Kaya this will really be perfect for the job. And there, so that's it. That's my Christmas gift to myself. And maybe birthday gift na rin. And anniversary gift. Lahat na ng klase ng gift. So, thank you for watching. And hopefully, makagawa kami ng mas magandang review about this. And i-experiment lang siya ni Jamie later. And we will keep you updated kung gaano kaganda yung M1 chip.